Hello, today we are going to talk about India's best conferencing services. So you can see my screen here. I have opened ChitoChat.in, where ChitoChat.in is providing a free conferencing services, also providing a free screen sharing services, free video audio conferencing services. You can see here it is in the window. You can see that join meeting is one of the menu, host meeting is one of the menu, sign in and sign up. If you have a meeting ID, you can join meeting by providing the meeting ID. And if you want to host a meeting, uh, you need to log in first, then only you can host the meeting. And to log in, you should be able to sign up. Okay, so we are going to do a sign up video today, and we're going to show you how exactly the sign up process is. Before that, I'm telling you a few things about this website. This website has some feature which is nothing but a video meeting, so you can send a meeting links and start video conference with any people. You The member who is registered can host a meeting, and he can add as many as a participants, so there is no limit for adding a participant for a conferencing, and you can host as many as meeting. There is also no limit for no time limit for having a conference. Okay, you can attend meeting by entering your meeting ID. You will be having your own profile, and also there is a additional feature chatting, which is also will be available once you are logging into the system. Okay, why Cheeto Chat? So basically it is web based conferencing solution. So here you can see that Chrome, by using Android mobile templates, you can definitely attend a meeting or host a meeting by using Chrome browser. By using a Safari browser on iOS like iPhone and iPad, you can host and you can participate, join meeting. All browsers are supported for Windows, Mac, Linux, Ubuntu, laptop, for laptop, MacBook, and desktop. So this is about the basically Cheeto Chat, an Indian conferencing solution. So let's see, and let's do the sign up. Okay, I'm clicking on a sign up, and here on a sign up page, you have to provide your valid email ID, because to register, this verification of email ID is a mandatory process. Okay, so here I'm inputting my email ID as a no reply at chat dot in. Okay, and there are terms and condition which needs to be um, agreed. Okay, you can see this terms and condition here. Okay, and on clicking the sign up button, you will receive one email where you have to again click on the link. So I am clicking here on the sign up button. So this is the email which I have received. Okay, so this is email confirmation, where you can see the you are almost ready to start enjoying Cheeto Chat. Simply click on blue button below to verify your email address. So after, I have to click on this verify email button. After clicking this email button, this will redirect me to the page where I have to enter my username, password, um and my details basically. So I'm clicking here on this button. So system has redirected me to this page where it shows that hi, my email ID, your account has been successfully created. Please list your name and create password to continue. So I have to create my username. So I'm just creating my username as a user Amit. Okay, and I'm entering my first name as a Amit. Last name is non-mandatory. I'm entering some password. Again, I'm entering confirm password. On clicking this continue button, my account will be get created. So I'm clicking this button, and then I will perform a login for my account. Okay, so I'm clicking this button now. So my account is successfully created and verified. Now I'm trying to log in into my account. On home page you can see a sign in button, sign in menu basically. So here I can provide my email ID and my password. On clicking this login button, I will be logging into the system. Now you can see here I have logged in into my system. So my sign up and sign in menus are now disappeared, and a chat menu started appearing, which I have said earlier that you can do a chat. uh, if I click on this chat, you'll be able to see all your friends here. You can add friend by entering username or email ID. You can search them and then you can chat with them. Okay, if your friend is logged in, this particular icon will be green. That is the indication your friend is logged in. And at the same time, you will be able to see here in this particular corner uh, calling button where you can perform video and audio call. Okay, and also when you are logged in, you can host a meeting. If I click on host meeting, you can see one predefined meeting ID generated. You can generate your own meeting password and you can start meeting. On clicking on the start meeting, meeting will be started. Um and on starting that meeting, there will be a link which you need to provide this to all the participants, so that all participants can again join in this particular conference. Or you can also simply provide this particular meeting ID and the password to them, so that they can click on this joining meeting and provide this meeting ID. After providing valid meeting ID and clicking on this join button, one pop-up with the password will be asked. On putting that correct password, the participant can join meeting. So joining meeting doesn't require any registration, but host meeting, yes, it needs a registration. Okay, so that is it for the this registration video. In next video we'll see how host meeting and join meeting works, how chatting works. That's it for today. Thank you.